Switch on the iC7-Automation, start the AMA, let it measure, and you're ready to operate your motor. With the non-rotational AMA of the Danfoss iC7-Automations, this becomes reality. The function automatically adapts the motor without any movement, perfect for demanding applications where the motor must stay completely still. In this video, I will show you how easy it is and which advantage you can expect. Welcome to the video. My name is Elisa and I'm part of the application team. What is AMA? AMA stands for Automatic-Motor-Adaptation. It's a process where the drive measures key electrical properties of the motor, such as resistance, inductance, and magnetic flux. These values are essential for precise motor control, especially in sensorless operations. AMA allows the iC7 to understand the motor better and delivers the best motor performance, especially in demanding applications. Many drives require the motor to rotate during AMA, but in real-world industrial setups, especially with heavy or sensitive machinery, rotation is often not allowed or even dangerous. Moving the motor during setup can cause mechanical damage and lead to costly downtime. The Danfoss iC7 offers a non-rotational AMA, meaning the motor stays completely still during the adaptation process. That means no movement required, no mechanical risk, fast and self-commissioning even for complex machines. Let's walk through how to activate non-rotational AMA using MyDrive Insight. Go to the Motor Setup menu. Select a motor type. Fill in motor specifications from the nameplate. Enable the AMA motor data. Check the status indicators, a warning appears, and go to Start Enable and activate the AMA. Here, good recording of AMA. And that's the proof. During AMA, motor speed remains at 0, no rotation. Meanwhile, internal signals like current pulses are active, allowing the drive to measure motor parameters without movement. This confirms that non-rotational AMA is fast, safe, and truly non-invasive. Here's the non-rotational AMA in action. The motor remains completely still and the brake stays closed. The drive collects all necessary data without any mechanical movement. A major advantage for lifting applications where safety and precision are critical. The key benefits of the AMA. With non-rotational AMA, you save time, mechanical risk, protect the health and the life of your operators, and can safely commission even complex machines without rotating the motor. And it doesn't stop there. The AMA also supports applications with extremely high demands on shaft performance, like decanters, extruders, and many more. Did you know that measured values like resistance can vary depending on motor temperature? Danfoss offers smart solutions to handle this, such as RS measurement and RS estimation. You can learn more about this in our dedicated video. And if you'd like to see how the settings are applied directly on the control panel, we've got a separate video for that as well. You'll find the link in the description. For more details on parameter settings or application support, check out the iC7 application guide or leave us a comment below. And remember, with the iC7 automation, even a standstill can be an advantage. Thanks for watching.